how to convert Microsoft PowerPoint to Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily convert your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation into Google Slides. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up a Google Chrome. Then on the top right, you'll see 9 dots. Tap on it and then go to Drive. So, yes, you'll need to open up your Drive, and then on the left hand side, you'll see New. So, you'll need to upload your PowerPoint presentation in your Drive by tapping on File Upload. So, go to the folder where your PowerPoint presentation is loaded, search for it, and then open it up in your Drive. So, uh, you can see that it is being uploaded. Now, once a PowerPoint presentation is uploaded, a pop-up will come up on your right-hand side that says Upload Complete. Now, you just have to tap on it, and then you can see that now the PowerPoint opens up in Google Slides. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.